What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Thanks for coming by today. Today is a great day. Today we're going to be reviewing Meathead's Serbian Chef knife. I showed you a little bit about it when I did my unboxing, but I'm ready to use this bad. I've been waiting all week. Had to work this week, so I got time to do some filming or chopping or cooking or whatever. Remember, it comes with this really dope sheath, and then this bad boy right here. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this bad boy. Alright, so I'm gonna make this quick. I got some vegetables to chop up, some fruit to chop up, some chicken legs to chop up, and I think that's probably a good indication of whatever. And I got a pineapple, but I'm not gonna throw the pineapple up and slice through it. I'm gonna cut it like civilized people. So I got some bowls set up, I got some cutting boards set up. I'm gonna bring you over here so you just hear my voice. Like I said, it's just gonna be real quick. So that's it. Come on back if you want to see that. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and the bell next to it. And you get all the good stuff we're doing here, okay? Come on back and we'll get chopping, all right? I'm excited. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. Let's get chopping. All right, so this is truly the first time I'm using this, so you'll be able to see, if I have a hard time with it, or if I don't, or if I'm uncomfortable. I'm sure this is something that's going to take some time to get used to, but in the meantime, let's get going, huh? All right, so we're going to start out with carrots. So far, so good. I'm barely pressing, letting the knife do the work for me. All right, this is probably my favorite part of this. Well, I don't know about it's totally favorite part, but look how you can just carry all this stuff. So I got bowls here. I got one for the chicken quarters. I got one for the veggies, and the one for the fruit that I'm gonna cut up. So that's in. Now I'll admit it's a little bit harder to get used to, because obviously it's about 2 times the size fatness of a normal blade, but it still works. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do some apples now. I love me some sliced apples. Dude, it's like butter, baby. Throw away. Thin as could be. Piece of cake. I'm digging it, baby. I'm digging it. Piece of cake. All right, we'll try a little something harder. We have some corn that I'm going to do on the grill later, but I want to chop it in half. Ooh. Yep. All right, on that one, I had to put a little force, but it's a big old thing of corn. All right, if you watch the channel, I love my bell peppers. Good stuff. So I'm just gonna cube these. I'm not gonna slice them because they're gonna go on kebabs later. I'll use that one. Got some onion here. Just slicing right through. Lucky. So let's peel off these outside. So I'm gonna cut these into big pieces too, because they're gonna go on the kebabs. So you see how they can break apart. Piece of cake. Looking good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed and I'm excited. This thing, oh yeah. It's a beast. It's a beast. Throw it up and slice it. No, I'm not gonna throw it up and slice it. But chopping off the top in the bowl. All right. Take it down the sides. Piece of cake. Love it. Like nothing. It's like butter, baby. It's like sugar, honey. All right. No one wants to hear me singing. Well, maybe a couple of you do. All right. All right, so we're just gonna dice this up. This is like the best time for pineapple. It's about the end of spring, we're heading into summer. Yeah, baby. It's like nothing. Look, I just carried the whole half a pineapple on there. Mmm. Oh, I love fresh pineapple. All right. Come on back and we'll do the chicken. All right, guys, we're back. Now we're gonna work on gutting up these chicken quarters. I was gonna get a whole chicken to kind of show you cutting through it, but I just decided to do this. Okay. So, because honestly, our family only really likes the dark meat chicken, and so the breast meat usually goes to waste. So we're just gonna cut this up. We're gonna look for the joint, right? And just ease our way through it. Like nothing. Look at that. Clean. Good to go. Let me chop off that part. That don't look good. I don't like the way that part looked. I don't mind a little chicken fat on there, a little chicken skin when I'm queuing these bad boys up. But yeah, that's a little too much. All right, that's a little better. Okay, let's do one more. All right, so you want to find that joint. All right, slice right through it. Like, it is nothing. I hope you guys saw that. Let's go to instant replay on that bad boy. Whoa. Again, I'm gonna cut off some of this chicken fat. There's a trash can to my left over here, so I'm not just throwing it on the floor. Don't worry. I know some of you guys worry about that stuff. All right, looks good. All right, maybe one more. So again, find that joint. It's like butter, baby. Love it. Meathead, this knife is insane. Might as well do the last one too while I got you on film. Again. Oh yeah. Oh, you can. Dude, this knife is a hog, dude. I'm enjoying it. All right, that's all for the chopping. Come on back and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, we're back. All right, just got done with a lot of chopping. As you can see, this knife is the real deal right here. It chopped through the chicken like it was nothing. The corn, you had to put a little effort in. You know, no big deal. Everything else, the carrots, the pineapple, the apple, onions, peppers, all that stuff, just went through it like butter. All right. So, I mean, I will fully endorse this knife. You know, this is the first actual product on my channel I had to review. And I freaking love it. So I can't wait to use it some more. But this is a winner right here. Trying to think what else. I know there's a bit of a care. You need to do a little bit of care to this. You gotta put a little food safe mineral oil, or in the time being, you know, a little olive oil will do the trick. So I'm gonna just rub a little olive oil on the blade here, because you don't want it to rust. There are instructions on how to get a patina on it, which I know Meathead will go over on his channel. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna put some olive oil on it, keep it nice and fresh, keep it from rusting, and you're good to go. All right. Takes no time at all. Wash it with soap and water. It's easy, you know, and it's a really great knife. The quality alone is just outstanding. You know this is handmade. You can tell it's handmade, but if you're just looking at how the blade is itself and how this, you know, it goes into the bevel of the blade, you know, you can see that this was pounded out, you know, the whole knife itself. So very high quality. I'm happy with it. You'll see it in all my videos. The link's below for meatheadsknives.com. Go there, get yours. This is really, really worth it. I'm excited for this. You know, I'm really happy that, like I said, Meathead sent me it. So this is the one. Give it a shot. And be careful out there for them fakes. This is real Almazan steel from Almazan, Spain. It's the real deal. Beware of the fakes, okay? Be careful out there. Okay? I think that's it. See me next time. Like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Also, at some point, when I drop this, I'm going to put the link up here for the unboxing video so you can kind of see how it all comes in packaging and all that. So, this is a winner right here, guys. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.